Tanawa na si Larry Gadon, guys. Makalagot nga lami kayo kumuto ng noong 30 minutes sa una, no? Tanawa karon. Sige, panulti.
Ganun eh.
Sir, with the way the Vice President is behaving as well as the former President's pronouncement, do you regret supporting the Dutertes?
Yes, I really regret.
Why, sir?
Hindi ko na maakalain na ganyan pala sila eh. Yung statements ni Vice President Sara, napaka-immature. Kulang na kulang sa statesmanship.
Los.
At saka, hindi siya nag-aaral. Basta na lang siya nagsasalita ng kagaya doon sa healthcare issues. Hindi siya nag-aaral. Hindi niya chine-check kung ano yung binibigay ng PhilHealth. Yung mga sinasabi niya iba, hindi siya nag-aaral. She is totally detached from reality.
Sir, last question from my
Daw
end.
ka,
Sir,
ni?
is the devil's advocate lang po, no? Are you doing this because out of utang na loob because the President appointed you to a cabinet position?
No. Appointed me to the cabinet. Okay. Alam mo ba na mas malaki kinikita ko when I was in the private practice? I was a corporate executive. Kesa ngayon, but this is just a commitment to help the President, to help the country. Hindi mo naman pwedeng matawag na mas nakikinabang ako ngayon. I do not regret serving in the public sector. Pero ang ibig ko lang sabihin, hindi ako nakikinabang ng gusto ngayon na kagaya nung dating nasa private